Prior to Access computer training, I was working at a pharmaceutical. It was very hard, very physical. I've worked all my life and that wasn't the thing. Just I didn't feel satisfied. So my husband kept saying, we need to get you out of there. And I'm like, what am I gonna do? I mean, prior to that job, all I did was welding and I didn't want to go back to welding. So I'm like, well, if I could get computer training, I'd go into that. And he says, all right, let's do that. And we looked up and found Access computer training. I really had to commit myself to this. I really had to focus every evening on whatever homework that was given to me to finish it, to make sure I did my best in that. And in my mind, it was like my new beginning. This far, it's been awesome. I loved it. I would never have ever been where I'm at without Access computer training. What made it easier and better for me is I knew at the end that my husband wanted me to work for him and help him out. It helped him and me because now he has a little bit more flexibility and I have a paying job that I like and I don't mind going to every morning. What would my life be now without this training? Oh my gosh, I would probably be worn out and tired and not feel like I was accomplished anything. I've even made forms for my husband to make his job easier. I mean, it was like he was doing it one way and I'm like, we could do this a little different. So I have made him forms where you just push a button and click on something and it's so much easier for us. It's wonderful. I would recommend Access computer training just because how wonderful it was for me, and I can see how much it's helped me. And if I could see someone struggling and they would want something different in their lives, I think this is the greatest opportunity for them. Access computer training was really great and awesome.
If you want to find out more about Access computer training, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.